Avocado is a type of fruit which has nutty flavor and people loves to consume it as a dessert, side dish and just consume it raw. This fruit is originated from South America, especially Mexico, and we know that Mexican is popular with their guacamole recipe. Avocado contains many nutrients and provide benefits for human body. Health benefits of avocado. Number 1. Good for your liver. Avocados are very good at reducing liver damage. It has certain compounds that help in improving liver health. Liver damage is normally caused due to hepatitis C. Findings of a recent research study suggest that avocados may play a major role in toning up and protecting your liver from a wide variety of conditions. Number 2. Prevents cancer. Health benefits of avocados include a lower risk of cancers, including breast cancer and prostate cancer. Avocado contains carotenoids and monounsaturated fat, both of which contribute to the significant reduction of cancer. Avocado also contains glutathione, an antioxidant that protects the cells from cancer and the dangerous effects of free radicals. Number 3. Great for vision. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two phytochemicals that are especially concentrated in the tissues in the eyes, where they provide antioxidant protection to help minimize damage, included from ultraviolet light. As the monounsaturated fatty acids in avocados also support the absorption of other beneficial fat-soluble antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, adding avocados to your diet may help to reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Number 4. Treats arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of avocados are perhaps its most valuable attribute, and between the wide range of phytochemicals, flavonoids, fatty alcohols, and omega-3 fatty acids it contains, avocados are one of the best foods for reducing the inflammation in tissues, joints, and muscles. Arthritis affects tens of millions of people around the world, and by consuming a proper amount of avocados, studies have frequently shown the symptoms and associated pain of arthritis can be efficiently reduced. Number 5. Reduces bad cholesterol. Avocado contains dietary fiber which inside the body can bind the cholesterol and throw it out from the body. The fiber content of avocado also prevents the cholesterol or LDL to enter the blood vessel wall and causing other health problems. Number 6. Helps in weight loss. Adding avocados to your meals will help you feel more satiated, which will eventually reduce your desire to eat more and eat more often. Plus, what makes avocado a weight loss friendly food is the fact that it is high in fiber, low in carbs, and does not raise blood sugar levels.